Hello there. Internet. I think as a New Year's gift, I will show you how to cook some good ass food. Look at this thing. Very good. Very easy to make. I'll show you. Let's go. The ingredients: cooking oil, some fucking meat, vegetables, and some fucking fries. You can use potatoes instead. This is just easier. I don't have to peel it and cut. Alright. The tools: frying pan, a fucking knife, and a stick to stir it. That's it. Don't need anything else. We start by cutting the meat into like little bits like this. Alright, this little guy wants some. Alright, let's give him this bit. Pejku, na ještě kousek teda, no. Ty ten byt to sežral celý. Nenažraný, hovado. Look at him, fucking swallowing the whole thing. Bastard. Už si dostal, ty vole. Už jsi dostal 3 kousky, ty hajzle. Vůbec nežebrej tady. Chcípni hlady třeba. No to je jedno, se třeba pochčí z toho. Tak pojď no, tak ještě kousíček, no, tady. No. Alright, so to start the process, you put some salt on the meat, just a little bit. And we start the fucking stove. There. Right? That's the meat. That's all we do for now. Right? And we can once it starts like cooking, we will stir it with the fucking stick. This is a store-bought meat, so there's a lot of water in it. You will see all of it will like shrink down, and you can see all these bubbles. That's like the water coming out. So we're waiting for that to be over, and then we can add the other shit. Can you see that? Right? All this? That's the water coming out. And shortly, all the meat will be like shrunk down. And that's what we're waiting for, because that's when it starts like frying, and that's when it will get like crispy. I like it like crispy. Alright, so finally the meat looks edible. So we're gonna continue the cooking process by grabbing these vegetables and just dumping it in. Alright? The whole fucking thing. Right? That's it. You leave it on top for a while, then we're gonna stir it aggressively. And some fucking fries. Alright. It's difficult doing this with one hand. There we go. There we go. We have some fallen soldiers. In the trash. Yeah, maybe we can fit some more. I'm trying to get the whole frying pan. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Alright. This might look like it's too much, but the vegetable will shrink as well. So we will just keep like stirring with the stick, right? Yeah, there we go. Like maybe 10 more minutes or so, and I think we're just about done. So time to turn off the stove. There we go. Easiest that. Just push a button. And time to serve. And that's it. So it's just time to dig in. Have some meat. Yum yum.